Hello, I'm back at Kew Gardens today and I can't leave Kew Gardens without sharing some images of this spectacular tree fern. It's a black tree fern, also known as a woolly black tree fern, and I think you can probably see why. I don't know if the camera's picking up just how black these trunks and these stems are, and there's a big woolly mass in the centre, and down there in between these fronds or croziers, black woolly material. Now, if you want to know what the Latin name of this plant is, I will show you the label, and as it says down there, Cyathea Medullaris, and it's absolutely incredible. I think these specimens here are about 6 meters tall, and the great news is about this plant is you can keep it in the UK, but there are some caveats. It's got to be protected from the frost in the winter time, and obviously because it's so tall and it has such huge leaves, it's got to be protected from the wind because it will just blow over. It's very fast growing and it can be kept in pots, so you can move it into a greenhouse during the winter, and it's a member of the Fern family, and it's in the temperate zone house here at Kew Gardens, which means it can fulfill its potential because we are inside this enormous plant house. And in a moment I'm going to show you what happens when you cut one of the leaves of this plant, because it forms a kind of orange jelly, and I'll show you that now. Look at that there, incredible. Now it looks a bit like a resin, but when you touch it, it wobbles like a jelly. Isn't that fascinating? So there we are, the black woolly tree fern in the temperate house at Kew Gardens, and I'm going to be getting one of these for my collection, but of course I need to be aware that I will have to protect it in the winter time. Cyathea Medullaris, an absolutely spectacular display at Kew Gardens. This is the rear of that display I've just shown you, and as you can see, centered around this wonderful water feature. There we go, up and away, reaching for the sky. And if you want to know more about Kew Gardens, I'll put the link to their website below in the description box below this video.